digital era. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable judges, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I stand here to talk about something very close to our lives. What is it? Do you know about that? Yes, the digital era. How to create a healthy and safe digital environment through shared responsibility and digital citizenship. Before that, the saying goes, if you don't know someone, you won't love them. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Naura Mariuni Askanisa, and I come from Budi Utomo Senior High School. Ladies and gentlemen, we as the younger generation live in an era where the internet is not just a tool, but a world in itself. The world where we communicate, work, learn, and express ourselves. Technology has changed the way we live, where socializing and learning are no longer limited by classroom walls or distance. Just imagine for a moment, we as the younger generation just one day without the internet. No WhatsApp, no Google, no Instagram, and so on. It will feel strange, wouldn't it? Technology or the internet has become so attached to our life, almost like a second space to learn, socialize, and even seek entertainment. But behind all this lies a huge responsibility, ensuring that every young generation has critical thinking skills, digital literacy, and equal access to educational resources. But the internet also has negative impacts if we, the younger generation, don't use it wisely. We often hear about cases of cyberbullying, the spread of fake news, online scams, and even online gaming addiction that causes many young people to lose their way. I'm sure some of us have felt these negative effects directly or indirectly. The question is, what is our attitude as the younger generation? Will we remain spectators or will we become agents of change? In my opinion, there is a principle we must uphold. First, responsibility. As I mentioned earlier, ensuring that every young generation has critical thinking skill and digital literacy is important. Beyond that, we must have good manners and characters. Whatever we write, share, or comment on the internet reflects who we are. Just as in the real world, from childhood, we are taught to guard our words, respect others, and act careful. One sentence can strengthen someone, but it can also bring them down. Therefore, make it a habit to think before you act. Second is digital citizenship. We as the younger generation are not only internet users, but also citizens who have a role in building their environment. A good digital citizen knows how to protect personal data, respect differences of opinion, and dares to reject negative content. Beyond that, they strive to use the internet for productive purposes, learning, creating, and inspiring. Let us, as the younger generation, be good example. The question is, how to be a good example in the digital era? By spread respect, fight hate, not hate but with courage, make the internet a place to grow, learn, and unite. Together, with as the younger generation, create the best online world with character. True and wise change start with us. Let's imagine if each of us young Indonesians wanted to use social media to share knowledge, provide motivation, or just to say hello and comment with kind words. The internet will become a much more positive space. So now, I invited all of us, especially the younger generation, not only to be safe on the internet, but also to be a journal, leader, and ambassador for a healthier digital future. Let's be the generation that proves that the internet can be a place full of respect, creativity, and caring. Stay well, wise, and safe, but in the real world, more in the digital world. Thank you for your time and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.